Om Shrim Krishnaya Namaha. The seventh Chetna Pearl of Mahottam Parameshwar Mahamantra Bid Japamala is the sound Krishna. After Dhruv, the sound Krishna was created earlier at the time of creation of Jivatma by the Parameshwar Paramatma. The Krishna, the sound Ra of upper level, Uttam, Uttisthit level, Ra, U, Kru, then this is Prana. Then comes the portion from here to here as Krishna. Uttisthit Ra, Krishna, Prana. This Krishna, subsequently in Dwapar Yuga, Sri Bhagavan Sri Krishna has had taken again avatar of Sri Hari, 8th avatar of Sri Hari. That is another issue, that is subsequent. After Satyug, after Treta Yuga, in Dwapar Yuga, that Bhagavan Sri Krishna had come of as 8th avatar. That is another issue. But that the creation of Jivatma, this sound Krishna was created by the Parameshwar Paramatma for the portion of controlling from this prana to this portion, Ishwar portion, up till Atma portion, this Krishna had been given. The Krishna, he controls the complete buddhi. He is the power, has been given the power of the buddhi. What to do by the eyes, what to do by the ears, what is to be done by through the nose, what is to be said by the mouth, all the things, what is to be, what should we hear, then what is the brain, what is the thought process we should apply. Buddhi has been given to this portion by the power of the Krishna. Krishna gives the buddhi, Dhruva gives the mind, and hence we are praying Buddha that as per the Krishna's buddhi, what is good, what is nice, we should be behaving and go for progress ourselves towards the Parameshwar Paramatma as per the directions of the Krishna power, sound, Krishna sound. Hence, we are praying the Krishna sound also for keeping our buddhi at its best, and similarly we should surrender to the Dhruva also for keeping our mind tuned to the frequency of the Krishna. When Krishna and Dhruva are combinedly acting, we will definitely progress towards the best of our life, for which Bhagavan has, Parameshwar Paramatma has created us. Our thought process will be best, our sanskar will be best, our behavior will be best, our whatever existence we have got on this earth for karma to be done by in this life will be best if buddhi and man are both best, are working tuned to the frequency of achieving Parameshwara's love, Parameshwara's mercy, Parameshwara's blissful blessings, Parameshwara's affection, admiration, affinity, mamatva, atmiyata, oneness. That is the basic principle for which we have been created by Parmeshwar Paramatma as a Jivatma to go towards him. And he has given human life to us for the same purpose. So everyone should realize, understand that our duty and responsibility is to adhere to what is good, what is bad, what should be our karma, what should be we do, what we should try to avoid, how we can do best of our life for achieving the goal of our life. Our chief goal of life is to satisfy Parmeshwar. So all these whatever functional things of Jivatma, maintenance thing of Jivatma, and have been given. So we should make maximum best use of that, and we should progress to the Parmeshwara. After our life, after our dissolution of our body, the Ram portion tells judgmental authority that what has been done good by us. That is why we pray Ram. This Hari portion, he is unbiased. He records everything and keeps your life for that many years, which has been sanctioned by Parmeshwar Paramatma through our Atma. Our Atma is like a mobile battery for about 90 years old. So when the mobile battery goes off, finishes his work, similarly Atma charging finishes and the Atma goes back to the main Parmeshwar Paramatma, Atma's abode, near Paramatma. So now we have understood that this is he does all the records through his assistants, whosoever will be. And this portion, Krishna is regularly telling us how we should behave. So he is authority of Ishvara. Ram acts on Jiva's part. This middle portion, Hari, is unbiased. He only records. While this Krishna portion, he teaches you everything and tells you how your buddhi, your wisdom, your knowledge should function. That is being taught by this Krishna portion. And after dissolution, he acts on behalf of Parmeshwar Paramatma, that what you have done wrong, Krishna tells us. He is the authority on behalf of Parmeshwar Paramatma, who tells us that where you have gone wrong, how you have gone wrong, what you should not have done, and how, if you are failing your duties of as a human being, if you have not utilized your human life in a proper way, then there is no point that we should, Parmeshwar Paramatma will take back us, because he will not take anything inside him impure. If you are pure, innocent, pious, then he will definitely and dedicated, to thoroughly surrendered to Parmeshwar Paramatma, completely devoted to Parmeshwar Paramatma, accepting your karmas and utilizing your mind and brain and buddhi towards the chief goal of going back to Godhead, and pleasing the Supreme Personality Parmeshwara as his servant, then we should be pure of heart, pure of love, pure of affection, affinity as per Dhruva, as per our mind towards the Parameshwar Paramatma. This power has been given to the Krishna. He tells us where we have gone back. Hence, we should try to please Krishna, request Krishna that through your buddhi, through your mind, through your knowledge, our mind be properly controlled. We are also trying to pray to Dhruva Devata. You also help us in trying to keep our mind concentrated towards Parameshwara, so that we can make maximum use of our best use of our life, which has been granted, human life which has been granted to us by Parameshwar Paramatma. Om Shrim Krishnaya Namaha. Shubham Bhavatu. Kalyanamastu.